Alright guys, welcome to today's video. It's Ella again. I just want us to quickly talk about the market condition today. A few days ago, there's been a massive pump in the market, especially in the BSC chain. The BSC chain has produced a lot of memes that are doing well, and it has been like a ballistic movement in the BSC chain. A lot of tokens are being created and are going into millions of market cap. All right, so a lot of people have made money in my community. People are making money. So if you are in the BSC chain, you should know what I'm talking about. All right, though right now the market is in a reversal. All right, the market is in a downtrend, and a lot of cryptocurrency are down right now. A lot of cryptocurrency, the whole crypto market is down right now. But in the last few days, there'll be massive uptrend, there'll be massive pump, especially in the BSC chain. The BFC mean have been doing so well. So I just want us to quickly talk about what has been going on. If you see this as the bull run, or do you think that is another bull that is coming on the way? All right. To me, I think this is actually the bull run, and the bull run doesn't just come and pop up. When the bull run comes, it comes, pump, reverse, pump again, reverse, and that is how the market is. All right, you shouldn't always expect just pumps. Okay, just pump is not good for the market. It's not healthy. They need to be reversal, to pilot the next massive pump. So what we are seeing right now is expected. Like I've always told you guys, always expected. This is expected. I'm not even surprised, honestly. I'm not surprised. So I was even expecting this, because the next set of pump that was going to be coming into, hopefully it flows into other chains. But the next set of pump that will be coming into the crypto ecosystem will be very, very massive. Okay, it will be massive. So this is just like, oh, we are getting ready for the major run. Okay, so they need to be reversal, consolidation, or balance the chart and all of that. All those things need to happen, and then the normal manipulation and liquidation, which the big players do, and then kick some people off the market, and then the next set of things that's going to come in will be massive. So all right, so we've gotten that this is normal. So as a crypto enthusiast, all right, these are the things you should expect. The market is cooling off. All right, it's just cooling off after this massive rally that happened a few days ago, especially on the BSC chain. A lot of memes went ballistic, and all those ones have been talking about memes. You should buy. If you have bought those memes, few of those memes that I told you, by now you should have been in massive profits, because most of them really did well this past few days, weeks, months. Most of them have really done well, so you should be in massive profit right now. And also remember that institutions are still here, government are still here. So there is still a lot of news about institutions taking position in the crypto ecosystem. The government is still buying up cryptocurrencies. So you don't need to be scared about the downtrend that's happening right now. The institutions are still here, and they're still going to do a lot of massive things. All right. So don't need to be scared. And then the institutions are still here, and crypto is here to stay. Okay. So as long as BTC is still above $100,000, ETH is still above $4,000, then we are still in the uptrend era. We are still in the bull run seasons. All right, you don't need to be scared. I see people say, oh, I bought a token, and it is going down right now. A lot of people that bought these memes that were coming out a few days ago on BSC chain, they bought them hoping that to do the ballistic pump and just be going. But right now, a lot of them are in loss. Some of them are in minus 80, 70, 90%, and it is really, really low right now. So so many people are just confused. So many people are just disappointed, and I feel them. Honestly, I do feel them. And sometimes I believe that not everybody really is equipped emotionally to deal with whatever that is happening in the crypto ecosystem. You might have the knowledge, but are you equipped emotionally to handle all of these things? All right, I do know that yes, it's the bull run, and there will be pumps and dumps. There will be the pump era, and then there will be the reversal era. There will be the consolidation era. Are you prepared for the consolidation era to know that, okay, this is just market correction, this is just retracement, and then you get ready again, program your mind for the next phase of pump, massive pump that will be coming into. So it is expected. All right, and people that really thought about emotions in the market were not mistaken at all. They knew what they were saying, because your emotion will really play you. In the crypto space. I can tell you are not going to escape it, no matter who you are. All right, even if you are an airdrop hunter, you are a degen trader, you're a futures trader, you're a spot trader, your emotions will come in at a particular point in time. All right, so emotions are very, very important when it comes to crypto space, and if you know how to control your emotions, you're going to make massive money. I can tell you, I think controlling your emotion is one of the most important things here in the crypto space. It's even more important than discipline. Honestly, if you know how to control your emotions, I can tell you it will even fuel your discipline. It will fuel you to, have a lot of discipline in the things that you do, in the decisions that you make in the crypto ecosystem, in the things that you invest in. It is very important. So if you can be able to control your emotions, then you have conquered 80% of the game. You've conquered. All right. So this is me talking about the crypto market today, and honestly, I'm just happy that people are beginning to realize that this is what is happening. And in the next few weeks, few months, I can tell you we are still going to see more pump. I think this pump will last till around December, if more. Okay, this quarter 4 is a bullish quarter 4. It all depends on where you are investing, where you are targeting, how much you want to make, and the capital you bring into the crypto ecosystem. All right, so just sit back and relax. All right, the market is not going to dump forever. The market is just correcting itself. So in the next few weeks, in the next few days, we should be seeing more of the corrections, and then this will not last forever. All right, this will not last for a very long time, but we are going to be seeing more of the correction. Even after it's correct and pumps again, we should see some corrections again and all of that before the market then goes downtrend. But for now, we are going to be seeing more of uptrend and downtrend. Okay, we are going to be seeing more of uptrend and downtrend because we're actually in the bull season where major memes pump. All right, major memes pump. And honestly, I think the next ballistic pump that will be coming in will be coming into quality memes. All right, quality memes. A few weeks ago we saw memes being created, new memes that doesn't really have quality. People were just degening and chasing pump. We just saw few memes. We just saw memes that were being created pumping massively because everybody was looking for money, looking to make money, throw money here, it multiplies 2x, 3x, and then they leave, throw in the next one, 4x, 5x. And that was what has been happening this past few weeks, especially on the BSC chain. But I think the next pump will be coming into quality memes, those memes that have already attained quality, utility, and good community like Creepy and the rest of them. So if you still have money, it's best to still invest in quality memes. You can risk it, but make sure that you diversify your portfolio and also go for other narratives. Okay, I always advise on that. And also remember that this is not a financial advice. All right, this is based on my knowledge and the research I have done so far. So if you are in the crypto space, you don't need to feel scared. You don't need to worry about the market downtrend for now. It's expected, and then we are going to be having pumps along the way. So for me, I will keep bringing you news that is happening and going on in the crypto ecosystem, and also educational content to equip you with what you need to know and things you need to do in this space to make more money. All right, so that is why I'm here. Also, do well to email me if you have any question, any complaint, or any collaboration or advice. All right, I take all of that. I'm always here 247 to advise you and also answer your questions. If you cannot drop it in the comment section, feel free to email me. All right, and I will be available to answer you always. All right, so that is it for this video. I just wanted us to talk about the crypto market, and that is what we've done. All right, so see you in my next video. But before we go, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like, and share with your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. All right, so see you on my next video.